So we are at the Google for India 2024 event. And Google has some major announcements to make, and what's in store for all of us? Well, let's check out. We'll tell you all about it. Come with me. So Gemini Live, another magic from Google, yes. And what if I say there's somebody on the other side, but not there as well? But Gemini is there and going to be answering any question that you have, and it'll answer it. How does it work? Well, we'll show you a quick demo, and you see the magic here. Come, let's go. So there's ample category that it can actually answer from. So you can see from sports to travel, music, food, books. Yes, it does it all. How does it do? Come, let's show you the demo. So imagine doing a podcast with Gemini. Now this is super exclusive. Somebody is there? Yes, Gemini is there. So Gemini, I'm confused if I should be going to Jim Corbett or Sariska for my holiday. Please help me.
That's a great question. Both Corbett and Sariska are fantastic national parks with their own unique charm. So to help you decide, let's break down what makes them special. First off, Corbett is known for its lush greenery and riverine landscapes. You've got a higher chance of seeing elephants there, and the bird life is amazing. On the other hand, Sariska has a more rugged, rocky beauty, with a focus on dry, deciduous forests. Your best chances of spotting a tiger are slightly higher in Sariska, so it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want that classic jungle experience with lots of greenery and a good chance of seeing elephants, Corbett might be.
Okay, that should be all. And okay, that should be all. So well, जो जेमिनाई ने मेरे साथ पॉडकास्ट किया उसके बारे में पूरा एक रिटन नोट भी आपको मिलेगा ताकि आप इसे आराम से पढ़ सकें. So I have something interesting first to show you from Google, and that's called Learn with Gemini, and it's called the Notebook LM. You can experience it. Come, let's show you what does it do. Here is a book, Becoming an Entrepreneur. Yes, I want to become one, but yes, it's going to take some time, but I don't have time to read this book. What is this book all about? Well, Google is going to give me a crux of it, summarize everything that's there in the book, and let me know what exactly does this one have. So how does it do it? We'll place it here. As soon as you place it here, you could see the screen. All the information that's there comes right in front of the screen, okay? And now you can see there is written note, there are prompts that you could have, FAQs. Here we come. So whatever's there in the notebook guide, there you go. You have the summary of everything that's there in this book. जी हाँ, जो भी book में है, सभी कुछ summarize होके automatically has come here. Also, if you don't want to read this, you don't have the time, well, just pick up your headphones. There's a podcast here, Becoming an Entrepreneur. You could see the name of the book that's written here. Here's the podcast of about 8 minutes. You'll get to know what all is there in the book. You can hear it and hear the questions. So this is the magic of Google Gemini. Next up is languages with Gemini. Well, what's that magic? Come, let's show you what does it do. So if I have an imaginary story that I have to tell people, what does it do? Well, I have to create imaginary characters, a story, a place where the story is happening, and what does it do? It creates it into a big, nice story, which is a nice one, and then converts it into a picture with a story. So there are a lot of images that you'll get along with the kind of story that you've given the prompt for. So let's check out and tell you how does it all happen. Come. So let's quickly start this, and you have to tell, hi there, what's your name? So I say I am Shruti Sharma. That's the author name, okay? So let's create a personalized story for you. I'll ask you a couple of questions to understand your vision, and that's how my story will be created after I answer questions. Flying dog with a talking bird. Okay, so where is the story taking place? जगह बता रही है on the moon. Okay. Now we have to tell them what kind of story is it. Is it magical and adventurous? Okay, let's do that. What's the moral of the story? Oh, friendship. Please excuse my typos, and let's do it in Hindi. No, let's do it in English. And lastly, we have to choose an art. So you can do water painting, we can do pencil sketch. So these are kind of images that is going to generate after I choose a particular one. So let's do a pixelated video game. You can also do it. Let's take real life photography. That's going to look nice. So that's the story prompt that I've got. It's creating my storybook along with some images with the kind of choices that I've fed inside. So let's see what's the story. It's going to come here and then I'll show you on the main board what does it look like. So you see Astro the moon dog and the talking starling. That's the story I have. It's created by me and it looks so fascinating. Well, we're going to be showing you some magic here right now. So we at a very interesting place which says reimagine your photos. So, you know, even if I'm standing here and clicking a picture and I have a background of this area, I would rather go to a beach. That's possible now. How does it happen? We'll show you very quickly. So did you see this? I wanted to be at the beach and here I am. Well, that's what you call the reimagine your photos concept. That's done by Google. So there's another feature that you find on the Google Pixel 9 series. That's called the add-on feature. So if there is a person that has a picture clicked and want another one to be placed along with that person, well, that's very feasible. How is it done? Let's check it out. And look at that, that's double roll. So another feature from Google that's going to be on YouTube very soon, the YouTube Shorts, that you're going to get a green screen and you can create a background of your own choice. The AI is going to make the background for you. So you don't have to worry about the back pictures that you get and what you want. You'll get it right away there with the AI. It's a very good feature for people like me जो कि background ढूंढते रहते हैं. देखिए अब AI कैसे बनाता है उसे फटाफट. Let's check it out. This feature is going to be coming soon on YouTube, but we're exclusively showing you here. We'll go to the YouTube. You're going to be getting it very soon. You see the YouTube Shorts here, the add-on button. There is a thing called green screen that you're going to get. So that's a green screen, and this is the background choice. So what do you want? You can actually type here. Let's see, lot of dogs. Okay. Let's see if it creates one, and once the background's ready, I can record my video being right there, and the background is going to be of my choice. So here I say a lot of dogs. I want to be with a lot of dogs in the background. Wow, look at that. So it's given me options. I'll choose this one. ये देखिए, and now I do done. Oh my God, here I come. So now I flip the camera. Look at that. I am with a lot of dogs. So this is the background you're going to get. The AI has generated it for me. This is fantastic, and I can record any video that I want with a background of my choice. Super. So another good thing here, another magic here is what I'm calling it as magical day here. So we're calling it all magic that's happening here from Google. The infinite exploring of things. Well, how does it happen and what's there in here? As you can see on the screen, we'll explore and we would want things as per our choice. So how does it work? Well, we have Shubham Mittal with us, who's from Google, and he'll explain this to you all. Shubham.
So in this demo, we need to describe any feature. So let's say I am scared of lizards. I say scary and haunting animals. And then Gemini is taking that as input. And it also has a 9 million species of animal as its database. So here one interesting thing is we are able to do a one-on-one with Gemini. It will search its database based on the features I have asked it to. And now the UI is letting us, so we have found the most similar animals that are haunting. So for instance, this African leopard. And so we have different modalities that we have enabled.
So how is it different from Google search?
So Google search right now, so here one thing is that we are trying to demonstrate what Gemini can do, and it's not a product, whereas Google search is a product. Interesting part is that here we can do a one-on-one with Gemini, whereas with Google search, it's just a single instruction given and it gives you a list of images. So here we are trying to explore with Gemini the animal species of planet Earth.
Oh, fascinated, man. Yes, so that was all magic that Gemini can do. And yes, everything that we showed you was indeed awesome and very, very useful. And yes, it's going to be very helpful to each one of us in our daily task as well. So wasn't that amazing? That was Google for India 2024. This is Shruti right now signing off from here.